Today, me and my girlfriend, we're going on the road all summer. We're planning on making a ton of videos. She's actually gonna be helping me, so I found an editor. And yeah, first steps first, we gotta clean out the truck. I've been living in the damn thing for like a month or two. Max has been with me. It's full of dog hair. It's full of like everything I own. Everything's fallen between the cracks. It's a mess, but we're gonna clean it. It's gonna be pretty fun. Doesn't smell good. We just cleaned this part out. It's all nice and clean. Got business cards, the old business cards. So I'm in here. Who remembers this video? I do. That was a good one. So yeah, back to this. We got a ton of stuff in here. We got, that's a balaclava. It's not really winter anymore. Got a headlamp. We need deodorant. I don't know what this is. That looks like snowmobile parts. Some Rain-X. Maybe we should use that after. Yeah, this is the before. And alright, we're getting to the bottom now. Something was spilled in here. Oh, gross. Cannot confirm what that smell is. Oh, and a paddle shifter. Red one. This is ABS plastic. It's a limited run I did. Might do more of these. It's used for shifting gears in the truck in manual mode. It's pretty fun. Alright. Now it's just got to be cleaned. Oh, last but not least. Man, this thing is deep. That's like my freaking elbow. It's up to my elbow. Cat key. Fuck. Cat key. People have no idea the power they hold when they have one of these. Comes in super big handy though, if a customer doesn't have their key. So I got my own. And that's it. There's Max's sheet and it stinks. Smelly dog. At least the truck didn't smell that bad. Alright, it's actually looking messier in here now than it was when we started, but like Dalton said in Roadhouse, it gets worse before it gets better. It's not really damp, but I'm sure some sunlight won't hurt it. So comfy. The bed's been holding up. Could be better. For those of you who don't know, I built a bed in the back of this for those nights I'm forced to stay in the truck. Whether I get tired of driving in the middle of nowhere, or I get stuck at the ferry, get stuck for weather, or whatever. These are the posts that hold it up. This is a removable platform, and I did this so that Max could come along with me and have a place where he could, you know, stand up and have lots of room, come for pets when he wants, but then when I need to put the bed back on, he has enough room underneath to stand up and, you know, move around while the bed's assembled, and then we can all sleep in the truck together. It looks like this one's having a rough life here. It's cracked a little bit and slanted down. Probably, yeah, definitely from climbing in and out. Let's see the truck empty, guys. This is an interesting sight. Yeah, look at that. You can see where Max's blanket wasn't quite covering what it needed to. So a lot of hair, crumbs, everything like that. Yeah, not bad, we're making progress. Got some throwing knives in here. Story there is that I always wanted throwing knives, and I finally went into a store that had some. Now I got throwing knives that I don't know how to use. Alright, day 2. Mother's Day was yesterday, so now we're just finishing everything up. Pretty much done. The truck's all vacuumed. Got to clean the floor mats and some cup holders and put everything back in. Hopefully more organized than it was before. But there's so much gear we got to take. It takes so much to do what I do. So much little tools, pieces of equipment, spare parts. Let me know, guys, if you want to see like a video maybe of everything that goes with me, everything that I use to do my job. That could be interesting. Hope you guys are enjoying the super frequent uploads. And yeah, let's get at it. So these are gross. The truck's clean. It's not a full deep clean. Got like 95% of the hair out, but most of it is pretty good. It's not a full detail. Maybe we will do a video of that later on a nice day. Full outside, full inside. Let me know if you guys want to see that. Guys, if you want some paddle shifters, found a couple red ones in the truck. They're ABS, more durable, kind of rare if you want to talk about my paddle shifters like that. The email for them is in the description. Send me an email with where you are and I'll get you a price with shipping and we'll do it up. Without further ado, here's the aftershocks. looks messy, but everything has its place. Those snowmobile parts, Rain-X, knife sharpening gear, multimeter, truck ketchup, some tuning parts for the Monster, the pedal Monster, some other stuff that needs to go in the house. Q-tips, you need Q-tips always. You never know when you're going to need this. You know, the DOT pulls up on you. And paperwork, it's not bad.